Hi all, good afternoon. Today I'm making one video on how to get the live data of MCX every 1 minute, or you can define the interval whichever you want. So I have made one program in which I have developed a code to get the very precise interval of MCX data. You can use this program for collecting 1 minute data of any commodity index, any script, whichever you want. So I will show you a live demo to explain you what exactly it is doing. So l- let me go first to show you the live data which is getting collected right now on my setup. So if you see here, I have mm, I have been I'm collecting right now the data for four commodities. One is the gold, another one is the natural gas, then the crude and silver. So if you see here, I have the 1 minute data of uh, of every commodity which I have subscribed to get the live data from LS Blue with no discrepancy in the LS Blue chart and the data which is getting collected here. So if you see here, this 22 minute data is getting collected, then 12:23 data is getting collected, 12:24 data is getting collected, 12:25 data is getting collected. Similarly, for every 1 minute, this data is getting collected. See here, this is the live data. So every 1 minute, it will collect the data and show you. So if you see here, let's say for example, 46th minute candle for silver, mini August future. So let's go to the chart and yes, let's go to the chart of silver. So if you see here, what are the for 46? This is the 46th row, 46 minute candle. So if you see here, 386 is the time. 386 is the open. Okay, so 386 should be that. 386 here. If you see, 386 is the open, and the close is 377. So if you let's go to chart again and understand for 46 what is 377. So if you see here, 377 is the close. Same we are seeing here also, 377. And if we see here that what is the high, 355389. So you can see here 55389 will be the high, which is exactly same, and the low is 362, which is the 362. So if you see here that it is actually getting the very precise data from the LS Blue without any discrepancy. Let's go to crude. Okay, 47th row, 7662 is the open. So let's go to crude. Crude is there. Okay, 1 minute chart, 47. 776. If you see here on the upper side, 7662 is the open. Close is 7657. So close is 7657. I'm talking about the 47th minute row. It collected data for 48 also. So if you see a high is 7662. So if you see here for 47th, yes, 7662 is the high and the low is the 7657. Okay, let's verify one more candle. This is a live data running. So for 48th row, 7657 is the open. So 7657 should be the open here. Yes, 7657 is the open, and close is 7661. Okay, let's see if it is 7661. See, close is 7661 and high is 7662. Okay, it's collected data from another window also. Okay, 7662 is a high and low is 7657. 7657 is the low. 7657 is the low. Okay. Let's go to another 49th row. 7661 is the open. Okay. So let's go to which candle we are talking now? 49th minute. 49th minute candle is this. 7661 is the open and close is 7648, which is there. 7661 is the high and 7648 is the low. 7618, 76. See here, you can see the prices here. So it's precisely calculating the 1 minute data for each. Let's go to natural gas. Natural gas. Let's understand 1 minute data. What is the data? So let's go to this 49th row. Yes. Now let's come to 50th minute row. 50th minute natural gas. Natural 701.5. Natural gas 701.5. Close is 701.7. 701.7. High is 701.7 and low is 701.2. So high should be 701.7 for this candle. Yes, and see how precisely this is calculated. Generally, whatever videos which are available, they are showing that how to collect the data, but the calculations and the other things are not precise to take the trades. So I have developed some logic which will help you to get the precise data for every candle, and then these all data will be available for us to do our trading. Let's say you have the CSV files which will have all this data, and these data will have every 1 minute. And from Alice Blue, there is one way to get all the historical data of 1 minute. So what it will do, it will fetch all the data of 1 minute for number of days. Let's say you have given here, I have given here 200 days. So you can get the data for all commodities or all scripts or all stocks for a 1 minute time interval, 2 minute time interval, whatever time interval you want. So historical data you have, but you don't have the data for a day. MCX live data is very costly and very rarely available for 1 minute with the precise uh, prices. The precise prices are not available. Whatever information we have on LS Blue, that is not captured properly for every 1 minute by any software. I am providing a software which will capture the data every 1 minute or every whatever interval you want, 5 minutes, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, whatever interval you want, using my software. So if anybody is interested in getting this software, they can contact me, and I would like to help you to understand more on this. Okay, as a closing thing, let's understand. Okay, this is the last candle which we have, 1252. 1252 data we have collected. 1252 data we have. 1252 data 701.4. 701.4. 52. 701.4. Yeah, see here. 701.4. Closing is 701.1. 701.1. High is 701.5 and 701 point is a low, which is precisely the same. See here, nothing, there is no slippage of data, nothing. Anybody can contact me and take this software to calculate their to help in their trading. They can develop their own logic based on this CSV data. This CSV data will continuously every minute will get appended into the CSV files, and then you can take your trades. Like you can add whatever indicators you are looking or whatever price action you are looking. You can easily do the price action trading on this. That will be very easy to do. Okay. Okay. Thank you.